These little routers are inexpensive but very powerful. They have many of the same features the high-end expensive gear like Cisco has. You can do your basic configurations via GoAway. If you want to get more in-depth, you can go command line as I put in COS settings and blocked peer-to-peer traffic. Only thing I'm waiting on now is to test it with high volume traffic. My goal is to get full 1 gigabit per second throughput on this box while using these policies without overwhelming the CPU. Brought to upgrade an EdgeRouter 3 Lite, which I use for a number of my customers as well as my own network. Also purchased the rack mount kit and an SFP module so I had access to a fourth network connection. Quality is a good, which is what I have come to expect using Ubiquiti over the last couple of years. Having an internal power supply is a good plus. Against the ER Lite does seem a lot faster using the web interface than the ER Lite, and didn't have any problems setting it up. Should be getting a gigabit connection in a few months, so we'll be taxing it a lot more then. Outstanding router, it can handle everything you throw at it, and the processor peaks about 8% with my 350 MB broadband on full download. You do need to know about networking to set it up and command line for VPN L2TP, IPsec, but it's well worth learning. I was looking for new border gateway equipment to handle an ISP change that could handle 1 gigabit service and picked up the Ubiquiti Networks Edge Max EdgeRouter 4 and UFRJ45 1G SFP about 2 weeks ago. The ER4 came with V1 9.8 firmware, December 28, 2017, and the first thing I did was upgrade to V1 10.0 firmware, February 15, 2018. Before I configured and connected to a live network. I initially used the basic setup wizard to see how easy it was, but then decided to manually configure it. If you have experience configuring networking/security gear, then this should be straightforward for the most part. Click link in description for more reviews.